In this video, we are going to discuss about Google Colab or Google Colaboratory, which allows us to write and execute Python program in our browser without any additional software requirements. And the best part of it is our program runs entirely on Google server and we can get access to free GPUs, TPUs and many more things. Let us explore. Let's create a new notebook. Notebook is the place where we run or we write our Python code. Google Colab is free, but it requires us to sign in with our Google account. So let's do that. This is your Google Colab notebook, and defaultly your notebook is stored in your Google Drive. We can modify the name of the file by clicking this option, and you can give any custom names. I am giving that machine learning with TF, and here you can write your Python code like print maybe ABC, and you can run it by clicking Control Enter or by the play button in the side of that snippet. Now let us change our runtime, that is make our machine a more powerful one. Then defaultly none means we are working on a cloud CPU. We can change into GPU or TPU using this drop down menu. We only need this kind of machines like GPUs and TPUs when we are doing any big things like a machine learning program that processes a lot of data. Now we are changing our runtime into GPU, and we got a GPU with 12 GB RAM and 68 GB hard disk. Now let's explore some of the interesting settings in the notebook. Go to Tools, then Settings, and here you can find a lot of three themes like light, dark and adaptive. Mostly I prefer dark. It shifts our notebook to the night mode. And Kitty and Corgi, it's one of the funniest settings in our notebook. Let's select both that and let's save it. And now our notebook has shifted to a dark theme. Some dogs and cat are now walking through our title bar. And always remember one thing, Google Colab does not give us only a notebook interface, it gives us an entire system with a Linux operating system. Let's look at that. We can run any Linux command using an exclamatory sign before the command, and we can find we are getting a Linux system. Let us explore some popular Linux commands like mkdir, that's ABC. Now you can find by clicking the file symbol in the sidebar. We had created an ABC folder, and we can also explore other folders of the system using that sidebar. I think we had covered some basic introduction portion of Google Colab. Colab is more powerful than you see in this video. We can do another video describing advanced option of Google Colab. And thank you for watching this video. And if you think you had learned something new, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.